you can see. Now you can see what is the symbol, sir? Rupee symbol. Now you can see what is the symbol? Rupee symbol. So in this way, I can display more meaningful information, to user. So now I am asking the question, sir, how you are going to configure currency? It is used to convert the number values into currency format. Default currency symbol is dollar. Default currency symbol is dollar. But you can write your own thing also. So we can modify this symbol using currency code. Sir, how it is possible? Very simple. Let us go. This is the variation. This is the declaration, and this is the usage. Sir, I don't like the dollar. At the time, I will use the currency symbol of the currency code of your customer, the residing customer. Now, in the same way, let me go with what is the one, sir? EUR, euros. Now you can see what is the symbol? Euro symbol is coming. And in the same way, I can also use word, sir, GBP. It is nothing but Great Britain pounds. So you can see the L symbol for the pound. And in the same way, I can also use a Japanese yen, Y symbol. Japan currency code. Okay, it is JPY. Yes. Okay, let me configure the corresponding one. I thought it is N, JPY, Japan N. So you can see the currency code. Now tell me, Angular is a very good thing. What is the advantage with this kind of framework, sir? You can get the default configuration, as well as it provides the flexibility to the developer to change the configuration or not. Providing the default configuration, that is okay, but actually it is also providing what flexibility, sir, to change the configuration also. That is a good thing about the Angular. It is not resistive, it is flexible. It is not resist to change, sir. It is flexible. That is why Angular is very much liked by the developers. Everything is available. So this is what you need to know as a programmer. We need to know. Now I am asking the question, what is the next step, sir? What are the next steps? It is nothing but we can use, what is the next one? I am going to use it. Currency related pipes are there. And as well as the next one, it is about the number pipe. Is used to format the number data display. So you can tell what is the format you want to display, sir. Number pipe is used to format the number data display. You can tell the format, sir. So what is the format we are having? A.B-C. What is the format, sir? A.B-C. A is the number of digits should be displayed before decimal point. So let me write the code. Let me explain through. Later on, I'm going to show you the example. So this is the one, and in the same way we can have, we have the B. B is what? The number of digits should be displayed, minimum number of digits after decimal point, and C is the number of digits should be, means C is the maximum number of digits, maximum number of digits, max number of digits should be displayed, to be displayed before, sorry, it is also after. So let me show you the code and you can easily understand. So right now, what is the pi value, sir? What is the pi value? Mathematics pi value. Anup, I know that part, 3.14. What about others? So observe, I instead of writing this one, I am writing what's a 22/7. This is what I am doing, 22/7. Now I am asking the question. So right now I want to display this one. Value is, what is the answer? Pi. Let us have the line break. So right now, if you are displaying your account balance like this, do you like this, sir? If someone, if any mobile application or any banking application displaying your balance, your account balance, do you like this, sir? On the first line? No, you don't accept this one. Even if you display, even if you show the paisa also, the afterwards, I don't like to, because there is no value for the paisa. Of course there is no value for 10 rupees nowadays. Those kind of things, sir. Those kind of thing. Now I am asking how you are going to convert. How you are going to convert? Very simple. I'm going to use a number pi. My requirement is, I will tell you the requirement in the words 3. So my requirement is minimum how many digits I want to display? 2 digits. That is why, what is the answer? 03 is coming. Why? Because earlier was a 3.14 only, but I am insisting that, or I am asking that display 2 digits. So if the digit is missing, it is display what's it? 0. Options of digits are replaced by what's it? 0. And in the same way, what is the minimum? How many minimum number of digits are? 2. That is why 14. How many maximum number of digits are? 3. There are other records. That is why what is the answer? 3. Now I am asking the question again. I will repeat. Observe, this is my value. Suppose if I don't provide the any format, it looks ugly. If I don't provide any format, it looks ugly. That is why what I am doing, I am providing the format. I need to format the value. How you are going to format the value? By providing the format. Now tell me 2 dot. Now I am asking the question, what is 2 means, sir? Before. What is 2 means here? Number of digits should be displayed before decimal point. Right now it is 2, but how many values are there, sir? Only 1. That is why it is adding zeros. And in the same way, observe, I'm having 2. 2 means what, sir? Again 14. But how many digits are there? There are more number of digits. Those are round off, and it will display 3. So guys, now I am asking the question. What is the output of this one? What is the output of this one? Very good, Nagendra. Very good, Nagendra. Very good. So right now, observe, I am giving the 1000. Now tell me, what is the, how many minimum number of digits are? 2. You can have any number of digits, maximum number of digits. That is why it will display 1000. It will display the 1000. What about this one, sir? 385. Now observe, it is satisfying what condition? Minimum number of digits condition. That is why 38. And right now extra value is there. That is why we are having 3. Now I am asking, what about now? What about now? What is the output now? The same value with 2.2-2. What will be the output? Yes, very good. Very good. It will be round off. The 5 value will be added to the 8. The 5 value will be added to the 8. So this is the way we are going to have the things. This is the way we are going to have the things. Now I am asking, observe 1. Tell me the output. 1. Tell me the output. Very good, Nagendra. Very good, Reddy. Very good, Aravind. Very good, Nilima. So this is the way, sir. Right now we are expecting minimum number of digits was 2, but how many digits are there? Only 1. That is why what will be the output? 01.39. 01.39. Now I am asking the question. What will be the output? Very good, Nagendra. Very good, Reddy. Very good, Aravind. Very good, Nagendra, buddy. So very simple. Right now, how many digits I want to display? 01. 01. And very good, Doraya. What is the code, sir? 3. And what is the expected, sir? 2 digits. But how many digits are there? Only 1. That is why what will be the expected output, sir? 01.30. This is the way we are going to display the information in the financial application. So this is the way we are going to have the number. Suppose I want to display the percent, you can simply write the convert into the percentages. Simply you can write it, convert into the percentages by using the same to one. What is the answer with percent? Convert into the percentage symbol, right? So this is the way I'm going to work with. This is the way I'm going to work with the number data. This is the way I can work with the number data. Sir, what is the next step? So right now, how to convert? What is the one? Student equal to ID colon 1. S1. This is the data coming from the server. This is the data coming from the server. Now student so right now I am writing the student value. Tell me, sir. Right now it is displaying the student data. This is what you expected. Tell me this right now. Whatever the actual data printing, is it useful for you anyway? In any way? No, sir. It is not at all useful for me. My requirement is what is the data coming from the server and what are the properties available in the object and what are the values are there. This information I want to know. This information I want to know, but it is not possible. But right now it is not possible. So how you are going to do this one? Very simple. What is a pipe I am going to use, sir? JSON pipe. Convert object into the string format. Convert the object into the string format. Now tell me, in this way I can easily identify what are the properties and what are the values of the current data or not. This is the easy way we can see the data and we can configure on the UI. Do you agree with that? Yes. So that is what in the real time we do. Suppose data coming from the server and you don't know what is the data it is coming. So at the time, simply print the value by using the expression or simply display the value on the UI for debugging purposes. For the debugging purposes. At the time I will go for what's a JSON. So object, it is used to convert the object into JSON format. Object data into JSON format. Sorry, in the string format. Sorry, object data which is available in the JSON or JSON object data into the string format. So this is the way we are going to configure. Now I want to reorder this one. Next one, date. So what is the problem with date direct display? Very simple. Observe. So let me show you the UI. Tell me the the date display is good to you. If you display this kind of date information, user will get confused. User will get confused. We need to display the good way. We need to display the good way. How it is possible, sir? Very simple. Observe. I'm going to apply the date by, and I'm going to use a predefined format. So observe, today is the corresponding one, and the time also it is displaying. Sir, I don't like the short format. Let us go with the medium format. So it is going to be displayed with the June 50 and what is the one, whatever the time. And sir, I don't like the medium format also. Let me go with the predefined long format. Sir, this looks ugly. I don't use the predefined formats. We can use the predefined date formats to display the date. What are the formats we are having, sir? Short, medium, and long. Sir, if I don't like this one, you can use your own format also. We can use our format also. We can use our format also. Let me configure for this one. Very simple. Date. I'm going to say DD MM YYY. Let me show on the UI. Now tell me, this one is more pleasant format for the user or no? Do you like this format? Yes, of course it is. It is simple and it is conveying the information the intended for. So right now, in this way, I can configure our own format also. In this way, I can configure our own format also. Very simple. What is the code I am giving? What is the format I am giving? Current date. And what is the format? So this is the property name. What is the property I created? I created the date object and convert the date object into what format? Provided format. So what is the first one, sir? Display the date value first. Next month value. Next year value. Sir, I don't like the hyphen. I do like the hash slash. So this is also possible. So this is also possible based on your convenience. Based on your convenience, guys. Is it easy or difficult, sir? Is it easy or very easy or difficult? So these are the formats we can easily, sir. We can easily do. Sir, why M in three things, sir? It is a provided by in our normal day-to-day life, sir. It is a standard date formats everyone is using. So let me show you. It is a universal date format, sir. In our we are going to use this one. You can see if you want to configure. So these many ways I can configure the ways, sir. Suppose if you want more about this date format related one, what are the different ways are they? You can go with this one, different date format types. So that is a standard, sir. That is what we are going to use. Okay. So please follow that one. Please follow that one. So this is the way I'm going to configure the date formats related things. Okay. Now I am asking the question, what is the next step, sir? What is the one we are having? Array. What is the one we are having? Array. So very simple. I want to access a part of the array. I want to work with a part of the array. At the time I will go with the array. So very simple. Array related pipe is nothing but I will call this one as a what pipe, sir? Slice pipe. I will call this pipe as a what, sir? Slice pipe. It is used to access a part of array. It is used to access a part of array. At the time I will go for what's a slice pipe. So let me show you very simple way. So I want to access the data. What is the first one, sir? Students equal to array. Two, three, four, five, six, seven, nine. Guys, tomorrow and day after tomorrow also class is there. Okay. Exam time. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow also class is there. Same timings. Same timings. If at all any change in the timings, I will let you know. So this is my array. This is my array, and I want to access the data. Very simple. Observe. Student data is what is the one, sir? Table. You already well aware of this one. Tr. What is the one, sir? Th. What is the value? ID. And in the same way, I am having what is the next one, sir? Name. TD, and I am having the TD. Observe TD, and here I'm going to write the corresponding expression. Now observe here, very good code, sir. Star, what is the one? Ng for equal to, what is the code, sir? Let s of students. Now very simple, what is the code I'm going to configure? S dot id. S dot id. What is another one we are having? s.name. So if you configure like this, you are going to access one record or all the records. You are going to access all the records. You are going to access all the records. But my requirement is what, sir? Not all the records from the array. We are going to use the, what is a pipe? I am going to use the slice pipe. Now observe 0, 2. So right now, what are the eligible records, sir? 0 record and first record. First record means 0, second record means 1. But if I configure like this, sir, tell me what are the records are eligible? 0, 1, 2. Now I am asking the question. So right now, what are the records you are going to see? First record, second record, and third record. Now I am asking, observe 3 and 5. 3:5. Tell me what is the output, sir? What is the output it will display? In the array, 3 means what, sir? Very good, Nilima. Very good, Satish. Very good, Pradhan. What is the starting index, sir? 3. What is the ending index, sir? 5. So at the time, what are the eligible records? 3 and 4. 5 is excluded, sir. What are the eligible records? 3 and 4. In the array, 3 means what record, sir? Fourth record as well as the fifth record. In the array, 3 and 4 means what, sir? What are the records? 4 and 5. And what is the output it will display, sir? S4, S5. S4, S5. Let us do the drill once again. 7. 6. Tell me the outputs. What is out? What are the records it's going to be display? Very good, Nilima, Satish, Laharika, Basha, Pradhan, Aravind. What is the output, sir? It's going to be display 6 and 7 indexes. 6 means 7, 7 means, sir, 8 in the array. So this way it's going to be display the records. It's going to be display the records. Very good, Arvind. So this is the way we are going to do. Now I am asking the question, this part of array access you are writing or framework is doing? This access you are doing or framework is doing? Framework. You are just configuring. You are just configuring. Next, very, very important question. So observe, I am using the pipe. What is the pipe I am using? 2.2-2. As well as you can apply the currency also. As well as you can apply the currency also. So in a pipe, so in a expression, you can write as many as expressions you want. So in a pipe, you can write the multiple pipes also. So right now, what is the first thing it will do, sir? Conversion. Then it will display the corresponding currency format. Corresponding currency format. So this is the way I am expecting in your code also. Now tell me, in a pipe, in a expression, how many pipes I can use, sir? One pipe or multiple pipes? One pipe or multiple pipes? Multiple. So your value, this is my property value. First it will go to the number pipe and the converted output will be given to the currency pipe and final output will be delivered by what pipe, sir? Currency pipe. The final output delivered by what pipe, sir? Currency pipe. So in this way, you can work in your programming. So sometimes in the interviews, they will ask you this question also. how many pipes I can do, or I can execute, or I can configure in a single expression. As many pipes as you want based on your customer requirement. Based on your customer requirement. Now, pipe modifies the property value. Do you agree with this statement? Pipe modifies the property value. Do you agree with this statement? Pipe modifies, pipe convert the value and display the value. Do you agree with this statement? Yes, sir. That is what it will do. It never modifies the original value. What it will do, sir? It will convert and it will use the value for display purpose. It will use the value for display purpose. The record is not available. It empty body. It won't display the records. Nothing. No exception will throw. Okay, that's good. And all of you practice this example. Today itself I am going to export this example, and this one will complete our pipes framework provided by us. Tomorrow I am going to show you how to create user defined pipes as well as user defined directives. Okay, tomorrow we have the class and at the same time. Are you Basha, are you from Java, or are you from .NET? Okay, for Java AWS is best, buddy. For .NET people, Azure is good. Okay, I will export this example and practice.